Okay, there's Remy doing a good downstay. Lazy wishing it was still her turn. Just missed the... Uh-oh, don't even think about it. Thank you. Buck was given the kind of funny... He has a funny way of looking where you see the whites of his eye. He was saying, when is it my turn? Excellent downstay. Yes. Good settle, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Are you cooling your fanny off, buddy? Good dogs. Good dogs. Good dogs. Wrong. Wrong. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent. Free. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Excellent. Good job. Yeah. You ready? Come. Get close. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. Yes. Are you watching? Good watching. Let's walk. It's not your turn anymore. Yes. He does that really well. Don't get ahead because, you know, that's not allowed. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. You're walking too fast. And what do? Perfect. Good boy. Free? Yay. Can you touch? Good touch. Oh. Young lady. I wasn't talking to you. You're fine. You're free. Yeah. He says, oh, I like school. School is fun, 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 fun. You fun? Good boy. Are you watching me? No, I want you to watch. Yeah. Are you watching? Are you sure? Good boy. Okay.